Dun, 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 dun. Oh, not to the barbecue. Man, I'm going to the forest. And what are we going to do? Black Sting. This right here, my friend, snip right off, just like that, is romaine lettuce. Well, I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to get some more romaine lettuce. And some more. Oh, gotta catch those leaves. All this is lettuce. So what I am going to go do is I'm going to come in here and go snip. Grab my hand. Oh yeah. Now this is butter crunch. And all I am doing is just taking a few leaves at a clip. And that's all I do. Look at this, man. I told you what an onion looks like. Oh, man, butter crunch. And this is garlic. Oh, yeah. Soon. And this is radish. And this radish right here, just going to let that grow. A lot of this radish is just not going to grow anymore. It's just overcoming. I'm going to have to pull it out and let some of it grow.